Welcome back, students, to the class. Today's topic is basic accounting terminology. So let's understand these four different types of terms which are the basic accounting terminology. First is capital, second stock, expenses and purchases. So let's understand one by one. What is capital? As you can see the picture, in accounting, capital means anything brought by the owner into the business in cash or in kind. So anything which is brought by the owner of the business entity for making his business run, it can be in cash or in kind. So basically that comes as a capital. Second is stock. Stock is a share in the ownership of a company. What is stock? It is a share in the ownership of a company. A share is the share in the share capital of the company. So basically when the stock is the primary thing which a business owner takes into account to run his business, so stock becomes the part of that capital. It's actually a share in the capital. It represents a claim on the company's assets and earnings. So a stock market is a place where the stock of securities of various companies are traded. You must have heard the term stock market. So stock is a share in the ownership of a company. Third term is expenses. What is expense? Expense is any amount paid by the organization, the benefit of which has already been exhausted. Expense is any amount which is paid by the organization during the business activities, the benefit of which has already been exhausted. Okay, so it's basically costs that have been consumed in the process of producing revenue are expired cost or expenses. So the cost which has been consumed in the process of producing something, that is the expense. Some examples are, what are the examples? Insurance, wages, advertising, interest. So all the expenses done for giving the insurance of the keeping the insurance of the things, and the wages given to the laborers, the manpower, advertising for promoting the goods, okay, and paying of interest for different plant and machinery. So these all are examples of expense. Next is purchases. What is purchase? Purchasing, also known as procurement, means buying of all the materials, services, works needed by the organization. So purchases means buying of all the materials and services which is needed by the organization in the process of production, in the process of business activities. That all comes in the term of purchases. So these are basically four accounting terminologies: capital, stock, expense and purchases. Very short terms. I hope you have understood. So I am attaching a homework here. Please solve it. Do it for your better understanding. Revise the topic very well and these four terms and come back to class with full preparation. Thank you so much. Do the homework. Bye bye everyone.